how to text on path on Photopea.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. The first thing, in order to type text on path, is creating the path. So what we're gonna do now is create the path using the pen tool at the beginning to create random path, and change this option to path and make the shape as you like. So this is a random shape, and then go to select tool again. Make sure you are selecting the path, and then go to the type tool and hover over it and click. Now, as you can see, we are typing on the path. Let's do the same using a shape. So let's make a shape, and let's say a rectangle, make it like this, and also make sure to set this as path, and then go again to the text tool, click on any part to start our text on path, and as you can see, here is our text on path. It's going all along the rectangle, and that's it. It was very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.